Daytime Live. All right. So, yeah, that's good. 'Tis the season of Edna Manley's events. And here to talk to us about it is lecturer from the School of Dance, Mr. Paul Newman, and student Amaya Gomes. Welcome, guys.
Thank you.
So first of all, Paul, I'm joking. Go on, yeah.
No, go on. You're a friend of mine. I'm also over here. I'm just hanging out and finding what's going on. Like, talk to your friends.
Yeah, so let's get into it. Give me some info about, what's going on over at Edna Manley.
So there are a series of events, but we're here to speak to dancers that's happening this weekend from Friday to Sunday. Friday, Saturday show is at 7, and the Sunday show is the gala night, that's at 5 o'clock.
Okay.
You said series of events, and all you said is just...
So, no, because we have the jazz at music school.
Right, so go through the series.
You have drama school having their production,
Right.
you have, and the dancers. And because, we're dancers, so we're here to promote dancers. Luminosity.
Right. Beautiful. Okay, so I believe we have some flyers from some of them. So here, the first one that we have is School of Music have Purple Rain. So that's their ensemble concert, which is on Thursday, April 11, 7 p.m. Free entry. I love all the freeness what we are talking about right now. So that's for School of Music.
Right.
Let's see what Drama School got. Drama School got something going on? Okay, I think they do have something going on, right? So here is Visual Arts. Edna Manley School of Visual Arts, and they have Materials and Meanings. And that's opening on Tuesday, April 9,
It opened already.
2024,
It opened
6
already.
p.m., so you guys can check that out. And now, Paul and Amaya is going to talk to us particularly about, Luminosity?
Yes.
And Luminosity's Dance Works.
Yes.
And tell us about Dance Works. May I take comment? No, tell us about Dance Works. I won't go into it. Go on.
So Dance Works is student-led, and it's guided by the faculties. But I have Amaya, she can elaborate more as a student.
Yeah, so
Yes.
like he said, DanceWorks is basically like a dance company here at the School of Dance. It's a student-led and faculty-advised organization. So it's completely run by the students when it comes to the ideas, the conceptualizing, and then obviously the faculty also comes into play when it comes to helping to bring our ideas into life and actually get the ball rolling when it comes to executing the event itself. So this weekend, like Paul said earlier, we have our show under the theme Luminosity from Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Friday and Saturday shows start at 7 p.m. and the Sunday show is at 5.
So, Amaya, I have seen you perform at UE in something that I choreographed. You're obviously a part of DanceWorks. When did you start dancing? And you seem really passionate about dance. What does dance mean to you?
Yes, so I started dancing when I was probably 7 years old back in Antigua. It was a funny story. My father's a football coach and I never wanted to dance at all. My mom took me to a class and I was like, no, I want to play football with daddy. When a few years later, I was like, Mom, these boys are too sweaty. I cannot manage. I want to go and dance. She didn't want me to do. And since then, I've been doing ballet and then modern, a bit of tap, a bit of jazz, now folk dancing. And to me, dancing is everything. It's just an avenue, a place where I can just express myself, tap into emotions that I didn't even know I had before. And, it's a way of just releasing everything. Yeah.
Boys use that for football too.
That's true.
We're sweaty, but we use it too.
That's true.
But you say you're from Antigua.
Yes, I am.
Why Jamaica and why Edna Manley School of Dance?
Well, at first, when I had finished, after secondary school, I went to the community college back home, the Antigua State College, and I did performing arts, dance for Cape. And I actually wasn't sure what I was going to do. I was actually planning on staying home to work because I couldn't see myself. I didn't know what to do. My first option was probably journalism, mass media, something along those lines. And then, my teacher at the time is Tavia Hunt. She actually is a past student of Edna.
I taught Tavia too.
Yes.
Don't say I'm old.
So that's how I knew about Edna. And I was like, okay, maybe let me look into it. And I saw the performance and choreography program. I was like, okay, let's go. Let's see what it's about.
I love that.
And since then, it's just...
Here you are.
Yeah, here I am.
Not going back, huh?
Yeah.
No.
Paul, like Amaya said earlier, it's a faculty-led,
student-led.
student-led, but faculty advised. What is that like for you? Because I know you're a dancer as well. Edna was your baby, NDTC.
Right.
What's that like encouraging, guiding, advising them in this process?
It's a great feeling because you've lived this all your life, and then just to see young and fresh talent want to do this, you get to encourage them, motivate them, just pour into them what you would have already known and learned. And it's a good feeling. It's great. Because then they take it on like it's a professional job.
Yeah.
So they actually
Good.
have sleepless nights.
Good.
You'll be up way hours in the morning guiding, giving advice because they're calling you, hey sir, this needs to be done. What do I do? How do I do this? So no matter what time of the day, we're there with them.
Beautiful. So the show is Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.
Right.
What can persons expect? Quickly, we have no time. What can persons expect at the show?
There are different genres. You have Afro jazz, you have dancehall, you have folk, you have a little bit of fusion, contemporary, lyrical. It's wide.
Beautiful. Everything.
And the good thing about this year dancers is that most of the work are students' choreography.
Beautiful. Love that. All right. Excellent. Thank you guys so much for joining us.
Thank you.
Yeah, exciting. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday at the Edna Manley College of the Visual Performing Arts. Excellent. Thank you guys.
Thank you.
All right, Daytime Lab will be right back. And from dance and everything, now we're going over to yoga for joint pain. Don't want to miss it. We'll soon go.